Alright, so I wanted to go over the trade I took today, and my just like overall emotions this week. So honestly, so first we'll go over the trade that I took today. It wasn't the best trade, but I didn't totally follow my rules, and I'll explain why. Um, Basically coming into the day, this morning before market, we had a lot of news and we took out all of this low resistance, high time frame liquidity, which is what I've been waiting for. I think on my video on Monday, I was talking about taking out all these lows before pushing up higher. So today presented us with that opportunity. I did play it a little more safe, uh, just because wasn't totally sure if we wanted to go higher, but basically we we had this 15-minute gap right here, and I wanted us to see us inverse this and then have our change in the state before, because we also did have this big, I think this is hourly imbalance, yeah. Before we came up and filled that, so I know some people, I wasn't really looking at the 1 minute time frame because we had that 15-minute fair value gap, but this right here would have been a pretty valid entry. Had a big IFEG here. Price kind of chopped around in it for a little bit and then started expanding up, and then we had our change in the state right here. So this would have been a valid trade too. I just because we had this big 15-minute gap and we had such a big sell-off, I wasn't totally sure if price wanted to rebalance higher. So I wanted that confirmation, which is fine. Still caught a valid trade, even though I didn't follow my rules. So yesterday I kind of took some bad trades during Asia. I don't know why. Just kind of got tilted and just kind of bored watching the market sitting around. So because of that, I kind of wanted to keep my profits, so I didn't take full TP. My original TP was up here at London highs, which would have been a fucking insane trade, and we came up and hit London highs. But so originally I got in 2 contracts. I think I got in like on this candle, 2 contracts, and then we came back into this fair value gap. I sold one of them because I was scared of the risk. Because we had already lost a good amount of money yesterday, so I don't know why I didn't really have faith in this trade. It was pretty clear. I did enter, so on NQ we did have this change in the state before ES, so that's why I entered on ES, because my risk would have been better. And then basically we closed right here on this retrace because I did trail my stop once we had this big leg up, because we had this IFEG here. We already tapped into this fair value gap, so I didn't think that price was going to come back down into it, but we did, and I got stopped out in profit. And yeah, this is my trade, this is my model. I don't know. I think the reason why I was so hesitant on taking it is because I took some losses yesterday in Asia. So I need to be more careful, because I mean we would be up a lot on this account right now if I didn't take. I literally took a total of 11 trades this week, and it's only Wednesday. Which is not good. So I'm not following my rules. I'm not managing risk correctly. It's literally just these small little, $50 losses that I'm taking that are just wiping out my profits. And this trade would have totally played out if I just held it. But I wanted to see profit so bad, so I had a trailing stop loss. And overall, the market did exactly what I thought it was going to do today and more. I mean, we ran up super high. I think we just took, yeah, this is the highest that it's been so far this week. My outlook, I think we're really bullish now because we did take out all this liquidity. Next I think we're just gonna chop around. Probably tomorrow and maybe Friday before we see these highs get taken. There's not a lot of structure in this area. We just have this big gap right here. But yeah, so things I need to start doing are I'm gonna write down my trading plan because I have my rules, but I don't really have like my trading plan written down super well. So I just need to stick to it, man. And got some beautiful trades this week, and we would be up a lot if I wasn't such a bitch and stopped following my trading rules and shit. Yeah, we're getting closer. It's really just all mental right now. Making sure I stick to my rules. Having a stout plan. Managing risk correctly. Finding my setup. Making sure it checks all the boxes. Yeah, that's really the key to becoming profitable, I think. We're so close. Just yeah. Hopefully we'll get there sooner than later.